guys, I hope you're doing well. Happy and Merry Christmas, and soon we're going to enter the new year. And I was about to record a tutorial and I thought, let me make this a bit more personal and just do a chit chat, get ready with me. It is Christmas and I hope you all are having fun. I hope those of you who don't have families have someone to spend your Christmas with. And I'm just gonna get ready basically now, and yeah, let's do it. I've already done my brows, and I actually wanted to do a glitter eye makeup tutorial for you guys, but for some reason my glitter's disappeared, so I'm trying to improvise and just think of what look to do. Right. At first I was considering doing a live video, but I realized that there's no point in me doing that when I don't really notify anyone of the fact that I'm going to be doing a live. Then it will just basically be me talking to myself. So I said, okay, let me just do this tutorial, this talk through. But guys, do you actually prefer me doing lives? Like, I know I don't have that many subscribers and viewers, but to be honest, for me it's not about the views. I do this because I enjoy interacting with you, even if it's only 5 people watching. Those 5 people are valuable to me. So I just talk. Why wouldn't I just want to talk to 5 people? In real life, you don't talk to more than 5 people at the same time. So to me, that's an audience already. You know what I mean? Like, I know some YouTubers, they give up on their channels because maybe they don't get that many views. But then I'm thinking, I get that aspect, yeah. But at the same time, I'm thinking that means you're doing it for the wrong reasons. If you're doing YouTube just to get seen and to have more views or be popular or whatever, then you're doing it for the wrong reason. There should be a more deeper reason for you to do YouTube than that. That's my dad in the background. Let me tell him that he is in my video. Okay, so that should be a little bit quieter now. Yeah, so I feel like this look is gonna be really colorful already, I can tell. And do you know what's so funny? I've noticed with makeup trends, they get really hyped up and then disappear. Like, do you guys remember the color correctors? The ones where there's like green ones and like yellow ones, and you just place them where you have maybe dark circles or unevenness. And then you just like, what am I going to use? I don't know, coming to use. Do I go icy or do I go warm? That's the question. Icy or warm? Icy. I might go icy, since we're in winter. Let me go a bit darker. Yeah, so I literally, like the color correctors, they were so hyped up, like, oh no, your makeup routine is not complete until you apply a color corrector, then concealer, then foundation to have the most flawless skin on earth, flawless looking skin on earth. And it's like, all of a sudden, looking at other people's routines, like the ones who used to hype it up so much, it's not there anymore. And it just tells me that, like, you know, like when it comes to makeup and most things in life, you just do what works for you. And don't really believe the hype, because that's literally what it just is, a hype. It just comes and goes. Anyway, I'm looking forward to delicious Christmas meals today. I'm gonna savage my meal. I'm at my mum's place, so you know it's gonna go down. You know it's gonna be good, good.com. So I'm gonna love that. So I'm gonna savage that real good, and then I'm gonna have a detox, as we always have. Right after Christmas. You know, just before today, actually, I really wanted to do a video about Cardi B and Offset, and how basically now, you know, there's videos circulating of them together in Puerto Rico, and how people basically pushed her back to being with him. You know, even if I feel like, even if a decision was to, I want to take more time to be away from him, or I want to evaluate whether I really want to be with him, that she was basically pushed to, you know, accept it sooner because of, you know, other celebrities, you know, chiming in and saying, you know, you need to go back to your man, you need to work it out. You know, these days marriages don't last as long anymore, whereas back in the days they used to. And people basically saying, you know, Cardi B's given up too soon, blah blah. And to me, it really gave me food for thought. That is it really that this generation doesn't value marriages, or is it that this generation is just wiser than the previous in the area of marriage and infidelity and stuff like that? And the evolution of the woman, really, like, you know, how we women now no longer take certain things like we used to, and whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. Has that torn more families apart? Is that why there's a more single parent rate now than before? So, you know, I really thought that was an interesting topic to talk about, which I still think I will make the video and talk about it more in depth and do some more research about it, because you just keep hearing that cliche, oh yeah, you know, yeah, people don't work out things anymore, blah 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 blah. And back in the days they used to be married for 30 years, and now because people give up too easily, they no longer are. So, oh, we'll see. No. Feeling 2019 will be an amazing year. Prophetic year, a year of many manifestations. Really wish I had my glitter to put that over the silver. I feel like the silver is a bit too strong. Contrast is a bit much. So I'm gonna soften it with it's a lilac silver color that I have. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to put some music over this and just get it popping tin. Guys, look at the difference. The power of eyelashes, man. Okay, let's finish this off. This I haven't used this liquid lipstick in a while. It's the Matte Me Ultra Smooth from Sleek. I think it was in lavender. I think I've used this in one of my tutorials where I explained like how to wear like really light lipstick on dark skin. I feel like using that one today. Alright guys, I feel like this video wasn't really a tool through in the end, it was more of a tutorial. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I am ready for Christmas, and I'm sure you are too, and I hope you're having fun with your family, and I'm wishing you all a happy New Year's. Let me zoom out. I will be active on my social media sites, MsAmankwah everywhere, really, msamankwah.com. And yeah, shall see you all in 2019. I love you all. I appreciate all of my subscribers and viewers, and I shall see you next year.